thousands of languages, millions of words. But one language hides sounds the world has never heard. A language with sounds you probably can't even pronounce. English? Arabic? Chinese? Wrong. Which language has the rarest, most unique sounds on Earth? You've got 3 seconds. The answer is Sindhi. With sounds like these that no other language even dares to pronounce. Sindhi uses 52 distinct letters, more than most languages on Earth. But what makes it truly unique are 6 rare sounds found nowhere else. Each sound is a secret, a linguistic mystery, a treasure of ancient speech. Languages hold secrets, and we reveal them, one riddle at a time. Subscribe to SR Riddle for more brain-twisting mysteries.